Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss some other models of how to find the average of the numbers. It is continuation to the previous video, and here is the one of the model, that is, of the three numbers the second number is twice the first and also thrice the third. If the average of three numbers is 44 and find the larger number, here they have given three numbers and second is twice the first and also thrice the third. If the average of three numbers are given, and now we should find the three numbers required. Here let us assume the third number is x. If we assume this third number as x, and now using this find the first and second number. Now the second number is 3x. And finally the first number is nothing but 3x by 2, because second number is twice the first number. And now we have all the three numbers, that is x, 3x and 3x by 2. Now we should find the average, that is x plus 3x plus 3x by 2 divided by 3. Here the already average is given, that is 44, and now we should find the x value and required numbers. That is, here this 3 is taken to the opposite side, x plus 3x plus 3x by 2 equals to 44 into 3, that is 11x by 2 equals to 132. 44 into 3 is nothing but 132. And now finally the x value we should find here, that is x equals to 132 into this 2 is taken to the other side, it get multiplied, and here 11. Finally the answer is x value is 24. And now here the larger number, here x is 24 is nothing but 24 is the third number, and now the second number is 3 into 24, it is the larger number, that is 72. And finally the larger number is 72, that is second number. This is the one of the model. And now let us see another one. Here is the another one, that is the average age of A and B is 20 years, and if A is replaced by C, the average becomes 19 years. And similarly, if B is replaced by C, then average becomes 21 years. And now find the ages of A, B and C. Here they have given the ages of A, B, C. We should find them. And now they have given average age of A and B is 20 years. Let us write the data, that is A and B. Average is 20 years, and when it is replaced by C, A is replaced by C, then say average between B and C is 19 years. And similarly, if B replaced by C, then average becomes 21 years. That is A and C is nothing but 21 years. And now let us find the sum of the ages of these three, that is sum of ages of A and B is nothing but 20 into 2, that is 40 years. And similarly B and C is 19 into 2, 38 years. and A and C is 21 into 2, 42 years. And now to find the ages of all these three, we should add all these three ages. That is, by adding all these three, we will get 40 plus 38 plus 42. That equals to 120 years. That is, sum of the ages of A, B and C is 120 years. And here we should have 2. And finally, now the sum of ages of all these three, that is A, B and C is 120 by 2 is nothing but 60 years. We have found the ages of sum of these three, that is A, B and C, and now let us find the ages of A, B and C separately. Now here let us treat it as equation 1, 2 and 3, and now by adding those three equations we will get sum of ages between A, B and C. And now let us do the subtraction from 1 and 4. 4 is nothing but this one. Equation 1 is this. By subtracting 1 from 4, that is 4 minus 1. Then we will get C's age. C's age is nothing but 60 minus 40, that is 20 years. And similarly, by subtracting 2 from 4, then we will get A's age, that is 60 minus 38, that is 22 years. And similarly, when we subtract equation 3 from 4, then we will get B's age, that is 60 minus 42, that is 18 years. And these are the ages of A, B and C separately. And this is the very difficult model, and we should solve it by a logical way. And now let us see the another model. And here is the another one, that is here the average age of a class of 39 students is 15 years. And if the age of the teacher also be included, then the average will be increased by 3 months. Then find the age of the teacher. Here they have given the average age of 39 students. Here total we have 39 students and the average is 50 years. And the total age of 39 persons is 39 into 15. When we multiply this, we will get 585 years. That is, the total age of 39 students in a class is 585 years. And when we include the teacher's age, then the average will become increased by 3 months. Here already the average for 39 members is given, that is 15. And when we include the teacher, we will get total 40 members. And the average of 40 members is 15 years and 3 months. That is 61 by 4 years. And now we have the average. Now the total age of 40 persons is 61 by 4 into 40. That is 610. Total age of 39 members is 585 years, and the total age of 40 is 610 years. And now we should find the teacher's age equals to, we should subtract 585 from 610, we will get the teacher's age. 610 minus 585, that is, the teacher's age is 25 years. And this is about the another model. And now let us see next one. And here is the another one, that is the average age of 11 players in a cricket team is increased by 2 months when 2 of them aged 18 and 20 years are replaced by 2 new players. And now find the average of the 2 new players. And this is the another model. Now let us solve this question. Here we have 11 players in a cricket team, and now the average of those 11 players are increased, that is total age equals to, here 2 months are increased, that is 2 into 11, that equals to 22 months. 22 months is nothing but 1 year 10 months. And now they have given the ages of 18 and 20 years are replaced by 2 new players. And now the sum of ages of 2 new players is equals to 18 years plus 20 years plus 1 year 10 months, that is 22 months, divided by 2, that is, it is the average of 2 new players. And now this is the sum of ages of the 2 new players, and this is the required average, that equals to, when we add all these sum, we will get 39 years 10 months divided by 2, that is, we will get 19 years 11 months. This is the required average for 2 new players. And this is about the another model. And now these are the some of the models on how to find the average of ages. And now let us see the another model, that is on distance. Here is the problem that is based on the distance, that is distance between 2 stations, that is A and B, is 778 km. A train covers the journey from A to B at 84 km per hour and returns back to A with uniform speed of 56 km per hour. Find the average speed of train during whole journey. Here, to find the distance or average speed in between 2 stations, we have one of the formula, that is the required average speed is xy by x plus y kilometers. This is the formula for to find the speed. That is, here x is nothing but when they were away from A to B, the train covers 84 kilometers. That is, x is nothing but 84. And similarly, when it is returned back from B to A with the uniform speed of 56, that is, y is nothing but 56. And now the average distance between the two stations, that is 2xy by x plus y, that is 2 into 84 into 56 by 84 plus 56, that equals to 2 into 84 into 56 divided by 140 kilometer per hour, and totally the answer is 67.2 kilometer per hour, and this is the required average speed. Average speed equals to 67.2 kilometer per hour, and this is the problems based on the speed and distance average, and these are the some of the models in average. This is the topic of average in quantitative aptitude. It is very important in every competitive exam. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.